Hello friends, this is Eloquent English Classes and I'm Jyoti Soni. In my previous video, we have dealt with nouns and the kinds of noun. We have already done proper noun and common noun. Today, I'll be dealing with collective noun. What is collective? Collective means taken together as a whole. So, collective noun is a name of a number of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Let's understand this. For example, police. Now, police means a group of police personnel. Similarly, class. Class means a group of students. Family comprises of mother, father and children. Army, a group of army persons. Team, one person cannot be a team. Similarly, jury. Jury means a group of judges. Nation, this you can very well understand. Crowd. Crowd also a group of people. Bunch. Bunch means like bunch of grapes. And fleet. Fleet, a group of ships or vessels. Herd, this also a group of animals. Parliament, you understand. Committee also, where we have more than one member. So these are all collective nouns. The next kind is material noun. Material means any material out of which things are made. For example, gold, silver, brass, diamond, stone. Even wood is a material because we can make furniture out of wood. Water, milk, cotton and silk. All these are material nouns. Let's understand this with the help of examples. He is wearing a gold chain. Now here gold is a material noun. Statues in the rock garden are made of stones. She is wearing a cotton dress. Now here cotton is a material noun. So this is all about material noun. The next kind is abstract noun. Now what is abstract? Abstract is not a physical thing. It's an idea which we can only feel but can't see or touch it. Actually, it's about quality or action or state. Let's understand this with the help of examples. Happiness. Happiness we can't see. We can only feel that the person is happy. Goodness, it's a quality. Kindness. We feel that the person is kind, but we can't see. Bravery. The person is brave. We can only feel it. Wisdom. Wisdom. It's again a quality. Then honesty. Darkness. All these are qualities. So, they are all abstract nouns. Then next is action. Action words are also abstract nouns like theft, movement, laughter, hatred, jealousy, violence. These are all actions. Then it is also about state. State is like childhood, boyhood, youth, birth, death, sickness, poverty. These are all abstract nouns. Abstract noun is not only confined to quality, action or state. So all the arts like music, drama, sculpture, photography, these are all abstract nouns. All science like physics, chemistry, biology, these are also abstract nouns. So let's see whether we have understood the topic noun or not. Let us recapitulate what we have learnt. Prabhudeva is a wonderful dancer. Now Prabhudeva is a name of a particular person. So it is a proper noun. Dancer is, any dancer can be a dancer, can be called a dancer. So this is common noun. I have a gel pen and a Chinese pen. No, this is not a common pen. This is a gel pen. So this again a proper noun. Chinese pen similarly, it's also a proper noun. There are 40 students in my class. Now class is a collective noun. This statue is made up of brass. Now statue is a common noun and brass is a material noun. All appreciated his honesty. So now here honesty is an abstract noun. So this is all about noun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.